Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing or unbagging my holy grail of houseplants. Pink Princess Philodendron. Let's go. I've wanted a PPP for a very long time, ever since I started plant collecting. Here we go. Wow. Look at this. Wow, look at the pink over here. See this? All the variegation. Wow. The plant I've been waiting for my entire life. Just unboxed it, just for you guys. Wow. So cute, this PPP. All right, hope you all enjoyed. It's beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. All right. Hope you're all doing well. See you next time. Bye.